Peace, y'all. Mills the Barber. I got my man Rick here. Say what up, Rick?
What's up?
Hey, man, where you from, man? What you repping?
Texas, bro.
Huh?
Dallas, Texas.
That you from the cliff or what? No?
Dallas.
Okay, this Dallas got you. All right, so what we getting today, man?
Just a fade.
Okay, so we doing around the ears, keep it low, or you want me to bring it higher, or what?
Around the ears, keep it low.
Okay, and then we keeping all of this, right?
Yeah, keep it low.
All right, so we're about to see that transformation. You feel me? Anybody you want to shout out right quick, Rick?
Nah, not really.
All right, I'm gonna get into this cut, man. We'll be back.
With him.
Yo, Rick, we halfway through, man. Almost done. You know what I mean? Let them see the halfway progress. We'll be back, though, with the finished product.
How is life?
All right, Rick, you back, man. How you feeling, man?
Feeling good.
Yeah? Let me go around you right quick so they can see. Did the low ball fade, you know? With the crown on top. I call it the crown. You wear it well, young king. You know what I mean? All right, look up and say peace.
Peace.
All right.